Okay, folks, what we got here is a closing Nardini. It's an MS 1432E, which means it'll swing 14 inches, and it is 32 inches between centers. As you can see, it is a closing Nardini. And this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do two videos. I'll actually do this first video showing the machine actually just running through all the feeds and speeds. Then I'll do another video showing it actually cutting the part that's in the chuck. So we're going to start out on the lowest speeds, which is 25 and 50, and there is a high and low speed switch on here. So there's 25, 50. So I'll leave it on the lower RPM. I mean, that's just motor speed. I'm going to leave it there for that. We're going to go to 40. You can also see the interlock works, so it can't turn on with the chuck key in. There's 40. There's 125. There's 125 and 60. Okay, now here is 63 and 125. We're going to run on 63. As you can see, the brake works really well. Now we're going to run it to 200. Or 100. Yeah, all the speeds I'm telling you, I'm going to run on the low speed. The next one's going to be 160. And it does spin reverse equally as well. 500 is the next one, or 250. Then we're going to go to 400. We're going to attempt to go to 400. I'm probably leave this. Here should be 400. And 630. And 1,000. This will be its high speed and low. And we'll just kick her in the high so you can see it run at high speed. Like I said, you can see how brake works like a champ there. So I'm going to go ahead and slow her down, and I'll run her through all of her speeds. I'm going to run her at 80 RPM, and I'm going to run her through without stopping it all the time. So this isn't a good practice. Don't do it don't shift gears, but running at low speed. Turn it back down to low. Alright, so I'm going to bring it over here a little closer so now you can see the feed rod. The threading rod. Inner rod is your normal machine, be ABC and all that would be in the middle. This one here, A, B, and C there, D, and E, and F. And then your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, you got your low and you got your high on your feed rate, and this should be for high and low also. Again, this is J and K on your speed chart. So that's going to conclude this portion of the video, and I'll do another video where I'll actually show it cutting this part here. So we'll get a close-up in on that part, and that'll conclude the 2 videos after that.